Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix mobile view blank white page Shopify store. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your mobile view here for your Shopify store, there are going to be a few things that you need to check and also you need to do here. So first things first is if you've done any recent updates on your Shopify store, like for example, you've downloaded an app, or in this case, you've installed a new app in your store here. Now, typically speaking, you need to do some basic investigation. So in this case, with your recently installed app, I would recommend you to try uninstalling it. And basically, once you've uninstalled your app, so by the way, you can just go to your apps and sales channel here, just click on uninstall here. And once you've uninstalled your app, go ahead and access your mobile page or the mobile view of your Shopify store and see if that actually works. So sometimes apps that you've installed into your store can be a major problem here, or the causing or one of the costs why you're having this issue. Now, another thing that you need to do here is you want to make sure that if you made any changes on your Shopify store, so for example, just going to DL, like I'm already logged in my account, I'm already in my teams. Let's go and click on the three-dot option here, and let's go to our edit code option. Now, if you made like changes on the code itself, like for example, you moved something or added something here, you want to make sure that the tags are unaffected. Like for example, just missing one of the following tags here, as you can see, if I delete that, this will cause major issues in my store. So remember to always include the ending or the tag that you've may have accidentally removed or modified here. So just make sure they are enclosed there. And also, you maybe want to backtrack your changes here and see if that actually helps. But in some cases, if you haven't done anything here and you're just having the problem, generally speaking here, there's one thing that you could actually try doing here. So that includes you accessing your header here. So as you can see, this is your header. So you want to go ahead and go to the very last line of your header here. So in this case, your header. So in this case, you want to go just enter or press enter here and just paste the following tag. So what we are doing here is we are adding a style tag here, which allows us to change the opacity of our HTML body here. Sometimes they may be hidden here. So in this case, it should make you be able to see your mobile or the mobile view of your Shopify store again. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.